Chaiti Parva of goddess Ma Tarini began today at Ghottaga Tarini Temple in Keonjhar district with strict adherence to COVID-19 protocols. In view of the current COVID-19 situation, extensive arrangements have been made by the temple and the district administration. Devotees will be allowed to have darshan of the goddess only after rituals like Snana, Majjana and Sunnabesa. As per the fresh guidelines issued by the district administration for the famous festival of the goddess, devotees will be allowed darshan from 9th till 12th April and again post 14th April. The darshan timings during this period has been fixed from 7 am till 12:30 pm and then again from 3:30 pm to 7 pm daily. All rituals will be performed at the temple with strict adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines. However, devotees will not be allowed to offer bhog or offerings at the temple. In view of the huge footfall that the temple witnesses during the Chaiti Parva and Pona Sankranti on 13th April and 14th April respectively, the district administration has banned public darshan at the temple. All the shops selling puja materials for offerings will remain closed during the Chaiti Parva. Similarly, distribution of Pona and Prasad has been restricted this year. As per an earlier statement of the administration, all rituals and special puja of the goddess will be telecast on social media. Additionally, no other cultural program would be performed during the festival. Bureau Report, OTV News.